Hello and welcome to the May update from the Tau team. You're here with me, Fola, and on to your Q&A questions for the month. And the first question is from Red, and they ask, will Tau Chain have interoperability from the get-go where the build applications can share its state across multiple blockchains?
We don't have any plans for interoperability with blockchains at this point.
All right, and the next question is from Red, and they ask, as seen in Telegram, bots are getting progressively more human-like on terms of vocal adding. So how does Tau Chain defend itself against this, especially when it's on matter of direct value, tokens, contracts, directions of the chain? Will the amount of Agoras holding play a future role in this?
The complete solution for that is inherently impossible, because if the program, the computer, wants to see something, you can always give it what it wants to see. However, some partial solutions are possible. For example, real-life authentication of identity or trust. And as you said, Agoras may have influence, and this all is up to the user's decision. We will not ship Tau with any built-in such mechanism, but it will be up to the users.
All right, thank you very much, Ahad. As always, your explanation is very much appreciated. So that's it for the Q&A questions this month. There are only a couple. Please keep sending them in. We want to hear from you. So on to the business team update. But before I get into it, I just want to let you know that we have a competition coming up. We are going to be giving away a lot of Agoras, and you will be able to win some Tau merch. So please stay tuned for that. I will update you at the end of the video. So without further ado, I'll pass it on to Carolina for her update this month.
Thank you, Paula, and hello, everyone. So this month, we've launched the new Tau and Agoras websites, and if you haven't checked it out yet, you can find it at tau.net. The new website introduces Tau and its features quite extensively, and it's been a lot of work, but we're really happy with the results. And I'm very grateful to everyone who took part in workshopping the content and sharing the feedback in designing it. I feel like we've done a pretty good job, and we will be updating it to look even better in the future. At the moment, the website is being prepared for the Asian market, so it's being translated, and we'll have a different language version of the website soon. This month, we also had an article about Tau published on Cointelegraph. And aside from crypto media, we're also going to target popular science journals. So I'm currently comprising a list of relevant outlets and reaching out to them, seeing if we can have them write about Tau and our scientific breakthroughs, of which there are several. So overall, our main focus right now is Series A. So everything that the marketing team is doing in the end is being done to make the fundraising process smoother. So that's my update for the month. Thank you.
Thank you very, very much, Carolina. And now I'll pass it over to Killian for his update for the month.
Hi everybody. So this month I've been working on preparing a version of the pitch deck which is not so much geared towards raising funds, but rather towards offering Web3 projects Tau's capabilities for achieving decentralized governance. Furthermore, we also started with the outreach towards VCs and angel investors for the scope of the Series A round that we are currently looking to raise, and started looking for a partnership manager or multiple partnership managers with a proven track record in the AI and blockchain space to start building an ecosystem of valuable partners across these relevant industries. Furthermore, I had a meeting with the fund managing company, which articulated interest in Tau and Agoras, and we are looking to organize an interview, a long-form interview, to be hosted on their YouTube channel, hopefully soon. And last but not least, the community member of the month, again, who would have guessed, is Andrew, for his great contributions in terms of video content as well as social media activity. So keep up the great work. Thank you so much. And that's it from me. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Killian. And we have a new member. Well, he's not actually new, but he's new to you. You might have seen him in our Telegram channels and on our socials. He's been working with us for a little while now, but this is the first time we've probably seen his face. His name is Igor, and I'll allow him to go ahead and give an introduction to himself and what he's been up to.
Hello, everyone. My name is Igor. I have been working with Tau for quite some time. Some of you may know that I was responsible to some of the design stuff that we did on the website, that we did on the cover, banner photos, and everything else, including the social media, and also including some of the logos that we did back in the days for ID&I, Tau, Agoras, and whatnot. So my focus right now would be a little bit of different marketing strategy, which would be the growth hacking. At this moment, I am currently in touch with a couple of companies that we're trying to partner up, since we want to bring our core technology to them and basically show what our service can do. And on another note, I am also working towards getting some of the VC companies. Currently, there is a bunch of them, and we're trying to explore the best one that could work for us in terms of the pitch that we design. And on the last note, I am in touch with one of the persons in charge of the posting articles on a different media, and hopefully we should be able to basically spread the word about Tau on different channels. So this is it for my side for this one.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Igor, and welcome to the monthly updates. You've been here for a little while though. And from my side, I've been working with Carolina, Killian, Igor on a lot of different things. Namely, one of the biggest things is to continue to shrink the time it takes to understand Tau. We're still continuing to be able to shrink that understanding time. And Carolina and I have been looking at certain areas of autonomous representation that we work on. We realized that it's actually more powerful than I even originally thought, which is really cool. So Carolina is going to be incorporating that into her next article that we're going to have coming out soon. Jamie and I have been working on hiring a new video editor. So this video will be edited by someone new. And I have had some really good conversations with some of the editors that Jamie's brought forward. So thanks to Jamie on that one. Alongside the videos, we're also having some music created for these videos. So this video will have music created just for us, which is quite interesting. And we're looking forward to having that completed, so we don't have to license loads of music. As I mentioned before, Igor is working on partnerships alongside Killian. So Igor's going to be working on business-to-business partnerships, but Killian's going to be working on actually looking for partnership managers at other companies and having them work with us as well to do the same thing that they usually do, but basically just work with us and utilize their network and help grow their experience and also grow ours, permeate Tau into the AI blockchain space and the relevant spaces that we work in. Alongside Igor, I've also been working on the deck updates. I've been getting a lot of thoughts and advice from our team. I've got lots of thoughts to incorporate from Ahad, the rest of the team. So there's so much more we can do there and make our deck and pitch deck experience a lot stronger. And yeah, I've also been working on VCs. I've actually reached out to a few VC friends that I know who have also given us a lot of really helpful advice on getting this round closed. And yeah, that's pretty much been it for me this month. It's go time in terms of marketing and fundraising. So yeah, that is it. However, one last thing is that we are launching a giveaway competition of Tau merch and Agoras tokens. So I'll let Killian drop the rules to winning merch and Agoras in the Telegram channels. So yeah, we will see you on the next video, which will be the development update. Thank you.